Vlogmas day 15, I didn't do much. I just designed this pretty little card that needed to go into a gift, and then I shipped that off. But I share you guys the real stuff like during Vlogmas, so 15 was just a chill day. And Vlogmas day 16, I had my morning workout with my trainer, and yes, it was rough, and I almost passed out. But we did full body, and I'm always so happy when I finish the workout, but I'm not one of those ones who like really enjoys working out. Like, I don't want to say I complain the whole time because I don't, but I'm ready when it's over. Like, let's just do these sets. Let's get it over. I know it's good and healthy for me, and I really do have some weight goals that I want to make because I slipped up and gained like all the weight back that I had lost during the first part of quarantine. But see ya on day 17.